The Hindu, Monday, July 29, 2024. Month's story: Bronze opens India medal hunt to held day after three IAS accidents drawn investment. Hint jobs hints to kick after Congress government is scaling aware. Investors from Karnataka, says Nirmala.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕೃಪಾ
The trajectory of the road is downhill in terms of debt to GDP. In midnight result, President appoints his 6 new grounds. Spear appoints Pindy is lope. Modi advised CMS to ensure full coverage of central and state level welfare measures. CERT warns cities assess norms for wood export move to benefit lakhs of farmers from the Northeast. Some special for the golden years. Study personal loan rates of various lenders. Use Storino radio for goal-based investment. Sports news. Nikat begins champ again with a hard fight win over Clotager. Sindhu shows her class, makes short work. Fatima. Water release from Mathur down as inflow increases. Vijay Shankar tag MP for Mysore appointment. Meghalaya Governor State Bangalore in NP from budget in newspapers for